Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use PackPoint to create a perfect packing list on iPhone. So make sure you will have download it from the App Store. I will just tap on it and simply just download this PackPoint travel packing. I will already download it and right over here you will just tell them where to go, and I will just write it like walking. So example, I will just selecting my location by walking, and you will just select the date of travel like 30, or you will just add your calendar. I will just select like February on 2. So length of stay like 15 nights or 5 nights. I will just select the length of stay of 5 nights, and simply just type of trip like business or leisure. So I will just select the leisure, and you will just validating the city. I will just tap on it, and so from here is the activity like swimming, snow sport, working, camping, gym, photography, international, beach, and baby. There are many, you will see bicycling and runnings, and I will just select it like bicycling, and I will just tap to begin packing. So your packing list is being ready. So right over here you will just tab and hold to the order items happy travels like bicycle shoes, helmet, sunglasses. So I will just select it like bicycle shoes, helmet, and like this one, or sunglasses, bicycle shoes. So here you will see. So you will just also add some like underwear, socks long, and casual shirts, casual pants, and just tab on it. Okay. So in the next you will just in essentials like jacket or chapsticks, vitamins, and medications. I will just select it vitamins, chapsticks, jackets, and pain reliever pills also, and wallet also. So I will just tab it like customize packing template right over here. So this is in the premium version, but in this way basically you will just use the pack point to create a perfect packing list through your iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.